Oiled, my brows are sitting. It's giving very much farm life. It's giving very much, farm core aesthetics. At the farm realness. Okay, so this one's name is Mary. And then on this side we have Daisy, Irma, and their kids. Hi Irma. That's Irma the cow. Hi guys, sorry my camera cut off and couldn't record most of the road trip, but I do have a few clips that I'm going to insert here. But I'm home. Well, not home, one of my homes. It's quite a big compound, but I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of farm life. This particular estate is not my family's, but yeah, we're in Shags, and this is my family's Shags. So they're the cows, Uma, Daisy, and Mary. There's ducks and there's also goats and turkeys, like it's a proper farm. And here are the turkeys and the goats. Oh, there are only 2 goats. Okay, and a couple chicken as well. Okay.
You can just feed.
I said, wake up, please focus on your eggs. Yeah. I'm just trying to capture home and Kenyan culture for those who have never been to Kenya. This is called a maika. Oh, we are so not living here. Why didn't you go for something easier, like a cup of tea? It is very smoky in there, not gonna lie. It is very smoky. Good morning guys. I haven't vlogged. I didn't vlog much yesterday because I was with family saying hi to everyone.
Hello.
It's hot.
Hot. Where is that fungo?
Bungoma is hot. Going to get a SIM card. So guys, if you saw my last vlog, I was buying some gifts, actually the previous one. So this is one of the gifts, and this is Brenda, my cousin, who you will see in the next clip. You see my edges are done. Look at that. Lips is oiled. My brows are sitting. See life, huh? Just life. So I was busy keying. I didn't tell you guys where we're going. We're going to Saboti, which is about an hour and a half away from Bungoma. And we're going to see one of my sisters and my uncle's house. Behind me is the house one of my uncles is building. Beautiful house. No house tour obviously. And there's Mary the cow over there. Then pan to see Mary the cow. And then pan this way to see Daisy the other. It's giving very much farm life. It's giving very much farm core aesthetics. I'm wearing a white top. That of course I already dirtified before I even left the house. It's black now. Oh, and then these, my pants from, where did I buy this one? Thailand. Yeah, got these in Thailand. And those I got in Spain that I've now ruined. Hiya! Hi vlog! That's my sister. And this is the shelling of maize, which I've also never seen before, so it was quite interesting to see how it's done. now leaving grandma's place. And look at the other one. That's my mother.
That's good. Good girl.
Say hi to the vlog, mom.
Hi.
Kuwa asante katakula.
Welcome.
Umetushibisha?
Kabisa.
Alafu ukatupea ingine tuende nayo.
Sasa na zingine tunabeba.
Na zingine tunabeba.
Thank you.
That's my kuhu, you guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
I didn't vlog much else apart from now my road trip back to Nairobi, but I just wanted to explain the cultural significance of kula na kubeba. When you go to someone's house, they feed you, and it's totally acceptable to carry some home after. Guys, I'm so sorry if this vlog is hard to follow, but it's the next day. We are leaving for Nairobi on Wednesday, but I need to do my hair today. And first, I need to take off my braids, which is what my cousin is helping me do right now. This was the road trip back home. We were stopped by a cop who of course wanted a bribe. Say no to corruption, guys. Tuleva speed wapi? So amechukua how much?
Yoso.
Ametoshika naso?
Nilikwambia alikuja kaona hii hapa. Bila hii. Bila hii. Ai, kena hapa na yangu achaanza. Unajua napimanga tukishuka hapa. We're in Nairobi, finally. Woo! Thanks to our drivers. Guys, we've reached Nairobi after such a long trip, waking up at 4 a.m. leaving Bungoma. So I'm gonna close out the vlog here, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you reached all the way to the end, you have time, please watch another video, like, comment. It really helps. Yeah, let me know what you're thinking when you're watching my content. Let me know if you want to see something different. Okay, till next time.